Hi everyone, welcome back, and today this will be our a personal vlogging, and we will be unboxing. I ordered a few art materials through Lazada, and we will be unboxing it. And yeah, if you would like this materials, I could I ordered this from Arcade Shop. This is the shop from Lazada. You can just search on it if you would wish to get the same set of things. Okay, so let's open this. Now, do you have that do you also have that kind of attitude when you go to a mall or any art shop for that matter? You would always buy some stationeries or wow, yeah, so I'm like that. Wow, well packed, love it. I love how it is being packed. So I'm going to show you what I ordered from the shop. Wow, too many bubble wrap, but it's good, right? Because by the way, this is from China. This shop is, I got it from China. Yeah, so it's hard. Okay, all right, so our first one, I ordered this calligraphy pen. I hope it's clear. Okay, let me just open it and see what is. Yeah, so it has different. Man, I don't know if it's. Yeah, that one. So the tip of it is different. Yeah, so it comes in set. So I hope, yep. So it comes in set, different set. So these are calligraphy pens. So I ordered that one. And then I also ordered watercolor postcard. It's a watercolor postcard. Reason is because I wanted to do some watercolor postcards. I wanted to use it for my art session. So I hope this is nice. I can't even open it. Oh man. Okay. Just open and see how it is inside. Wow. Okay, so this is the one. So you paint on on this side you paint, and then on the back you have lines just like the postcard. Yay. So there you have it. So these are watercolor postcards. Yeah, I ordered this. I forgot. Okay, let me just check how much is it so that you will have an idea. Okay, the set brush is, I don't know how much is this. I forgot already how much. The set brush is, I can't see it. Anyway, I'll put the link below. You can check the shop. You can check their shop. I got this from Lazada. So I have the calligraphy set pens and the watercolor postcards. And then what's next? What did I get myself? Okay, so this one, this is my first time to use this. This is a metallic color pen, and it says that in the review or in its details when I order this is that I can actually use this for glass, for wood, or for stone, for decoration. So it's a metallic pen. Let me just see if I can open it. Okay, see the different colors. It's different color, it's all metallic. So yeah, it's metallic. Oh yep, metallic. Okay, so I can use this for the same thing. It's for my artsy session, and oh my, I don't even know how to put it back. So it's used for it's used for stone, for glass, and for plastic. Okay, that's metallic pen. And then the other one that I ordered, which I actually got this for a very reasonable price. This is glass liquid paint. So because I'm planning to do ceramic painting in one of my art sessions, so I ordered this glass liquid paint. So it has different color inside, 25 ml each. Just open it and let you see how it is. Yay! Oh, this is so not good. This is so not so good. So not good. Look at the orange. It's failed. Anyway, okay, let me just clean that later. Okay, so that is our glass. It's for glass. I hope this is okay. Okay, and then we have, I also ordered this round shape watercolor pad. So it's a watercolor pad. Yeah. So for more watercolor, for more watercolor session. Okay, so I think something is missing. Okay, rectangular seal. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Leave first. Yeah. And the last one, sorry for that, because I was just checking. I think I ordered the smaller size, or I made a mistake. I ordered the big size. So I actually ordered a smaller size watercolor, round watercolor, but I think it's my mistake. I didn't check the size, the diameter. Okay, and then the last one. The last one is we ordered a set brush. Yay. Okay, so it's a set brush. You have all the different sizes of your brush, and you have as well your palette, your metal, your spoon and fork. Not so bad. So yeah, yeah, that's the one. So I hope that this will be nice, and we will be able to do more of our. So that's how it is. You see, to that. Oh, beautiful. So it actually can stand. It is on a it's a set, and you can put it like this so that it will be like a standing ovation. Standing position. So nice. So I hope that I'm happy of what I ordered, and I hope I gave justice to the unboxing. So please do check their shop. It's called Air Cane, and I ordered this from Lazada. Yay! Our episode for today, the unboxing of my new art collections that I'll be featuring in my future artsy session videos. And for those that are new to my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when our next video and next episode be released. And of course, please do send me some thumbs up, like this video, and leave a comment if you have anything, suggestions that you would wish me to do for my channel. Yes, and of course, please do check out my other videos as well. Very interesting, funteresting, and very informative videos, so please do check them out. And once again, thank you everyone, and see you next episode. Bye.